Hello everyone, my name is Big K. I'm a Japanese professional wood repairer. I would like to let you know about a hot news. That is, the first ever web seminar program of wood repair for beginners has been completed. This program is practically made, featuring an artistic, dedicated skill for beginners who aspire to earn money by becoming a professional repairer. In this program, you can learn the necessary know-how from zero experience. This program consists of two parts. One for approximately 40 pages text with photos, charts, and illustrations. And other one is for various video demonstrations with keynote lessons. For your information, our earnings is not bad. If only you mastered this skill, you can determine your own standard prices. For example, you may charge hourly or by unit of damage, etc. That is why your customer can save all expenses involved in the replacement of material or furniture, etc. I think you must see how the repair works. Let me show you some examples of my job. Now, please take a look. If you are the person who likes repairs, drawing pictures, DIY, or creation of color, etc., you must be a successful challenger for sure. You may have big opportunity as for a repairer. This program includes also hints and business know-how for your sales enlargement in your home country. One more thing, this program will be also available for the persons who work in housing business, builders, various facilities, and hotel maintenance, etc. This skill and knowledge must help your company in reducing expenses for the replacement of materials and keep your job quality more higher level. Finally, for the persons who got interested in this program, please check out all contents of this program put on the column below. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon at this program. Thank you for watching.